Many students, staff, and faculty pass them on a daily basis. You might have seen them too. Boats. Why? Why would Marshall University own boats?
Why do we have boats? Yeah, we get that a lot. In fact, now because they're gunmetal gray color, we get a lot of people think we're the Coast Guard out at the boat ramps and stuff.
That's a good question. A lot of people have no idea why we have boats or anything.
So what are the boats used for?
Well, because we use the boats to do all of our research. We do a lot of field work, and to do that field work, it's right here on the Ohio. We need these boats, and we use them, both of them, the shock boat and the dive boat, for doing the trawling and the diving and all the other research we do on the rivers.
Did you know anything about boats before you came to Marshall?
I grew up around boats. My family has a boat, so driving a boat and backing a boat down the trailers is not a big deal for me.
When I came down here, I didn't know how to drive a boat, didn't know how to pull a boat.
Is it unique that the students here would have access to a floating resource like this?
Yeah, in a way it is. You know, everything's kind of unique in itself, but Marshall's is good because it's fieldwork based. It's not like some programs you go out and you do a project and then you're working in the lab on it for the next 2 years for your master's degree. Here you're going out every weekend doing something else, getting numerous projects under your belt, hands-on.
What are some things that the students have learned from the field experience?
I've learned all kinds of things. Just being out doing research and that kind of stuff, you just learn hands-on stuff, working with everybody with different projects, you learn a little bit about everything. And then you also get to work on your project also.
When I got here, like most people, as a young kid in West Virginia, you spend every evening out in the creeks after school, playing in the streams, collecting crawdads. But when you get here, I've worked with multiple people who are doing workshops. We've talked to schools, and just the whole aspect of crayfish, which is pretty much undiscovered and unknown in this area.
There's a lot of lab time. Also, don't get me wrong, we're not just doing the work and then not doing anything in the lab, but you're getting experience. You get to experience both. It's not just, a majority of each. You're doing both equally, so I like it.
The program is Watershed Research Science, and it is under the biology department at Marshall University. The program has helped students and scientists learn more about freshwater aquatic life on the Ohio River, along with the lakes and streams in our area. For We Are Marshall Today, I'm Mike Powers.